Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by clearing trim and protecting flooring. This exposes fasteners and makes cuts predictable. First, back out hinge pins or unthread hinge screws while bracing the door slab so it won't fall. Once the slab is free, score paint and caulk lines around the jamb with a utility knife so the frame separates cleanly. Then remove visible screws in the jamb and top anchor screws. These first actions reduce binding and let you work the frame loose without bending surrounding drywall. Once visible fasteners are out, shift focus to hidden anchors and how they hold the frame to studs or masonry. You'll slide a reciprocating saw with a demolition blade between jamb and framing to cut through nails, screws, or pop rivets. This prevents drywall tears. Then, pry gently at several points using a flat bar, working top to bottom to avoid splintering. If anchors resist, tap with a pin punch or hammer to dislodge them, and remove any remaining screws that become accessible as the frame moves. To finish, work the frame out in manageable sections and lift it away with a partner to prevent twisting the rough opening. Once the frame is free, clear out remaining fasteners and inspect studs and drywall, cut back damaged drywall and fasten new pieces, then apply joint compound. Make sure the rough opening is clean and measure diagonals to confirm squareness. If things go wrong, if the opening shifts or a stud splits, stop and install temporary braces, then replace or sister the damaged stud before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.